Imagine a library where every book is tossed into a single pile. Finding what you need would be chaos. The natural world, with millions of species, would be just as confusing without classification. Scientists organize life into groups based on similarities and differences, like sorting books by genre and author. This system helps us understand relationships, evolution, and the roles organisms play in ecosystems. Classification isn't just for scientists. It makes biology easier for students too. Instead of memorizing endless facts, you learn the key features of groups, like mammals or insects, and apply that knowledge broadly. It's a mental map, turning the complexity of life into something manageable and logical. Mastering classification is your shortcut to understanding biology, not just for exams, but for seeing the bigger picture. The modern system of classification was shaped by Carolus Linnaeus, the father of taxonomy. He introduced a hierarchy: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species, each level more specific than the last. Think of it as organizing books from broad categories down to individual titles. For example, the animal kingdom includes the phylum Chordata, animals with backbones, which narrows to class Mammalia, fur and milk, and so on. The most specific level, species, groups organisms that can interbreed. To remember the order, use the mnemonic King Philip came over for good soup. Linnaeus also created binomial nomenclature, two-part scientific names like Homo sapiens. The first word is the genus, the second is the species, giving every organism a unique, universal name. This system avoids confusion from common names and lets scientists worldwide speak the same language. Classification brings order, clarity, and precision to the study of life. Early classification divided life into just two kingdoms, plants and animals. But as microscopes revealed new worlds, this system fell apart. Where do fungi, bacteria, or oddballs like Euglena fit? Scientists realized the biggest split was between prokaryotes, simple cells, no nucleus, and eukaryotes, complex cells, nucleus. This led to more kingdoms, culminating in Robert Whittaker's five-kingdom system. Whittaker's approach considered cell structure, organization, and nutrition, creating a logical home for every organism. Now, life is classified not just by looks, but by fundamental biology. This system is central to your CBSE syllabus and reflects our deeper understanding of evolution. Classification evolves as science advances, always aiming for a clearer picture of life's diversity. Whittaker's five kingdoms capture the major forms of life: Monera, all prokaryotes, bacteria and cyanobacteria. Simple, single-celled, no nucleus. They're everywhere, vital as decomposers and more. Protista, unicellular eukaryotes, amoebas, paramecia, algae. Some act like plants, others like animals or fungi. Mostly aquatic, they're key links in food chains. Fungi, mushrooms, yeasts, molds. Eukaryotic, often multicellular, they absorb nutrients from decaying matter. Their cell walls are made of chitin. Plantae, multicellular, eukaryotic, photosynthetic. From mosses to trees, plants are the world's primary producers, making food and oxygen. Animalia, multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic. Animals must eat to survive, lack cell walls, and range from sponges to mammals. Each kingdom is defined by cell type, structure, and nutrition. This system helps us see connections and differences across all life. From bacteria in the soil to elephants in the savannah, classification reveals the unity and diversity of living things. Understanding these kingdoms is key for exams and for appreciating the living world. The five-kingdom system is your roadmap to life's incredible variety. It's not just about memorizing names, but seeing how all organisms fit into the big picture. With this framework, biology becomes a story of relationships and evolution, and you as a student can navigate it with confidence. Classification isn't just theory, it's your best study tool. When you know an organism's group, you can predict its features even if you've never seen it before. Organize your notes by kingdoms, phyla, and classes to make revision logical and efficient. Use mind maps and flowcharts to visualize relationships and differences. In exams, compare groups by their key characteristics: cell type, nutrition, body plan, reproduction. This systematic approach helps you answer confidently and score higher. Mastering classification means you're not just memorizing, you're thinking like a scientist. It's the foundation for understanding biology, for exams and beyond.